Take off them clothes, you don't need them anymore. Family, community, strong all day long. Baby, oh yes, indeed. Oh, I'm feeling way too damn good. Baby, ooh, money, yeah, money, oh yeah. Family, community, strong all day long, baby. How you doing? Sons of anarchy, baby. In my heart and soul, love you all, appreciate you all. Sharing, caring, loving, appreciate everything you are doing, baby. How we doing Tuesday? Deborah, Sammy, Sandra, thank you, Barbara, Aunt Michelle, thank you, Carol from Pittsburgh. Yes, indeed, family community, all about the sharing and the caring. And yes, indeed, baby, we're making Jack's Teller Swiss cheeseburgers for dinner. Come on over, family community. You can have one anytime you want because I love you with all my heart and my beautiful Russian blood. My Puerto Rican queen, Miramore. I love you, baby. Oh, yes, indeed. I love this family community, baby. Heart and soul, baby. Good times, good pictures. Always help me find my smile. Always help me find my joyful life. So, yes, indeed, family, community, baby. How you doing today? Yes, indeed, baby. Woo! Feeling way too damn good, aren't we, baby? Yes, indeed, baby. Giving them all baby. And whoop, from Alpha Girl. Ah, yes, indeed. It is hot in the kitchen. It is warm in the mud, in the oven. Yes, indeed. There ain't nothing like Sons of Liberty, True North Original, family community love. So have a wonderful, beautiful day. Good morning, Islamabad. Good afternoon, family community. Tanya, love you. Appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart.